What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Mainstays K-Cup coffee maker. It's $20 at Walmart. Didn't feel like, spending a whole bunch of money on a Keurig, so I wanted to try this out first and see if I like it or not. So here we go. I'm gonna take this. This opens up in the back. It's got a little thing in here. Pop it out or not? Yeah. Pop that out. It's got different settings. Or not settings, but different levels. You got 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, and 14 ounce. I'm just going to go with, the size of my coffee cup and put that much water in it. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to or not, but that's what I'm going to do. So, pop that in. Take your water without making a huge mess, which I probably will. I just did. Pour that in there. All the way in. Okay. Alright, and you shut this. You push this in here, and this opens up. I got a little K-cup here, French vanilla. Pop that in here. You pop it down till it clicks. You shut this. And I think that pops a hole on the top, I think. And you take your cup, my little crazy SpongeBob, set that under here, like that. Over here on the side, it's got an option for ground and an option for capsule. You just hit the capsule because that's what we use. And let's wait and see how long it takes to make a cup of coffee. You can hear it boiling in there already on the inside. And sounds like it's heating up pretty quick. See what happens. As it says back here, there's a caution. It says, do not open the lid while brewing. Hot water may cause scalding, so don't do that. Sounds like it's boiling up pretty good. It's got a nice, sounds like a wave. Well, I forgot to mention that it also comes with a little filter here, reusable, clean. You can re-clean it, filter for ground coffee, if you like that better than the K-cups. What I'm brewing up here is just a great value, 100% Arabica French vanilla ground coffee. Should be pretty good. Boiling up, I can hear it. We'll get a little bit of steam. We'll start coming out of the back here a little bit. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. And once it heats up enough, you can hear there's a little pump in there that kicks on that pumps the water through. It's really starting to bubble now. You can hear it. And it doesn't take too long. And there, the pump kicked on, and the coffee is coming out right now. Yep, smells like French vanilla. Pretty fast, comes out pretty nice flow. I don't know, maybe I should have put a little bit more water in it, but you can hear when it runs out of water, you hear the pump. Should shut off on its own. I don't know if it does or not. Well, if not, I don't know. Yep, shut off on its own. And then be careful because it's really hot. Take the cup. You know what, I'm just going to turn it a little bit so I can grab the handle. I'll burn my hands off. Alright, smells amazing. Smells like French vanilla. Let's taste it. See what it tastes like. See if I can't burn my lip. Not too bad. Not too bad. So I'd say overall, 20 bucks. Can't really beat it. Doesn't taste too bad. A little hot. And yeah. And then all you do is unplug it. Pop this little thing open here. Oop, pop this. Pops up. Got your little used K-cup here. Throw that away. No. Looks like that's about it. Alright. Well, if you like this review, I'll be doing some more reviews on other products. So, thank you.